Avoidance of conflict is the first lesson in conflict management. God has taught animals diverse natural methods to protect themselves from their enemies. We can learn from them. There is a certain insect which curls up and freezes when touched. It uses this method to protect itself from its enemies. When escape is possible, it becomes completely motionless. Thinking it to be dead, the enemy ignores it. When the enemy leaves the scene, it runs away. Animals which live in burrows make another tunnel at the rear of their homes, which they use to escape in an emergency situation. In this way, they save themselves from their enemies. For humans too, the best policy to adopt, vis-a-vis their opponents, is to save themselves from directly clashing with them and try to avoid confrontation. We should not interfere in the domain of our opponent. While dealing with our opponent, we should appear to be inactive or keep ourselves carefully confined to our own domain, and thus convince our opponent that we are harmless. We should also adopt measures to foil our opponent's aggressive plans in a possible emergency situation. Avoidance of conflict is not an expression of cowardice. It is necessary pragmatism. When one avoids unnecessary confrontation with others, one is able to find the time and energy to focus on areas of one's own growth.